This 2021 Mazda Mazda3 Hatchback is brought to you by Twins Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, your neighborhood trusted dealership. This Mazda is powered by E-Walk all-wheel drive, automatic transmission, intercooled turbo-regular unleaded i4 2.5 L152 engine, and has 55,243 miles. Discover your perfect ride, 2021 Mazda 3 Hatchback, sporty, stylish, and ready for adventure. Here are some of the features. What's wrong? Visit us today to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Don't forget to follow us to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.